Don't make big life-altering decisions when you are in a negative frame of mind, when you are feeling super anxious or super stressed. What I'm basically trying to say is it's productive to focus on your mental health, and it's productive to meditate and to do yoga or whatever de-stresses you, because then you'll be able to make those big life-altering decisions that propel you forward and that create your dream life. If you're in a negative frame of mind and you're in kind of panic mode, in fight or flight mode, then you're not going to be making the right decisions. It's really productive to tend to your negative emotions, your panicking state of mind. There's this thing called decision fatigue. I'll put the definition up now. It is never unproductive to focus on your mental health. It's never unproductive to do a meditation, to go for a walk. Please like, share, subscribe. Please comment down below, and I will see you with another video very soon.